Introducing a major step forward in safety working at height. The new Alto Ultima Tower. The Alto anchor point is certified to EN 795 and accredited by one of the UK's leading safety laboratories. This simple demonstration highlights the unique and revolutionary fall restraint and fall arrest capability of the Alto Ultima Tower. Massively stronger than all its competitors, Alto Ultima is a durable, versatile product, offering long service life and minimal damage, even in the toughest conditions. Safety through design is our hallmark. The many features and benefits of the Alto Tower range are repeated in the Ultima Tower. Alto Ultima's huge strength advantage over all the competitor products allows it to cope with the demands of fall arrest functionality and provide a safe, durable working environment for operatives. All Alto component interfaces are designed to add strength, stability, and prevent jamming and user abuse. Far and away the leading causes of death and serious injury in the construction industry involve falls from height. There is a safer way. Specify Alto Ultima.